What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a brand new video. If you are new here, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button and leave a comment, respectful, even if you disagree, support, like, share, do all of those things. So now that I got that out the way, let's get to it about this appeal being denied. Tory Lanez, the California Court of Appeal has officially affirmed Tory Lanez's conviction. No reductions, no reversals. The 10-year sentence stands. Let's break down the court. Let's break down what the court actually said because some of the details might surprise you. So, looks like Tory Lanez going to be serving his 10-year sentence for the shooting of Megan Thee Stallion, and he tried to appeal it. It got denied. So let me go through my notes and let's talk about this. So basically, I'm going to be covering like what's going on and what he been doing and trying to add on to the story of shooting Megan Thee Stallion, and it's just piling up, and it's like you keep going to this judge with all these, this evidence, and it's like it's not going to get through. Like it's not going to pass through. Like this thing, your lawyers, they sucking you dry for money, and it's like that's what it's giving to me, because that's what people been saying. Like it's like just do your time. Like it's like you just pulling stuff out of a hat to make sure it stick or something, and it's like it's not gonna work. So yeah, let's how we do over here, checking my notes. So yeah, Tory Lanez was convicted of 3 felony counts for the shooting involving Megan Thee Stallion. He was sentenced to 10 years. He filed an appeal challenging parts of the judgment. So again, he's been filing stuff with the judge trying to appeal, and this time it got denied. And it's like, just serve your time. Like I don't know how many times I keep saying it, but it's like he keep trying to grasp for straws, and it's not going to work. And you're wasting the court's time, the judge's time, the lawyers. They getting a dime off of you, so they gonna do whatever to get a bag, and they sucking you dry with all your money. So like I don't understand why you keep doing this over and over and stuff. So the conviction was affirmed in full, no changes, no reduced charges, nothing overturned. So what he's trying to challenge is basically saying Megan knew it was a gun, and if she knew that it might be present, she should have ran or dodged or something. Now this is what he's saying to the judge, like saying basically, well, if she knew a gun was gonna be present, then she should have just ran and dodged or something. And it's like, are you kidding me? Like, y'all gonna have to do a real deep dive on this case, because there's been so many things said, and it's like with this situation, this is nothing new under the sun with Tory Lanez. Like he's been saying a whole bunch of stuff. One minute he trying to blame it on alcohol, like what if he was drunk, and it's just y'all gotta do a whole deep dive. This what I'm talking about is just a portion of everything that he's trying to get through to the judge, like all this stuff, and it's like it's not sticking, it's not working. Just serve your full sentence. Like I don't understand why I keep doing this. Like you only serving 10 years. Like how long you been in there since? What, 2023? I think 24. I don't keep up with them like that, but I'm just going off based on what I seen on social media. So yeah, that's what he's saying. Like she should have had the opportunity to run and dodge if she knew a gun was gonna be present. So yeah, like that is like crazy to bring to a judge. Um, the judge emphasized his post-shooting behavior. It was a major factor in the aggravation. Basically, like intimidation, public comments, social media behavior, and attempts to influence the narrative. So, like, he's been trying to sway the court of public opinion online and, being on Twitter, aka X, and Instagram, and just, doing a lot of sneaky behind the scenes stuff, trying to paint Megan into a bad light and switch the narrative, just a whole bunch of stuff. Again, I don't have all the facts of this whole case. Again, this is just a portion of things in recent times. So, yeah, like it's a whole bunch of stuff. But I just wanted to get my opinion on this portion of this new stuff that he's doing now. Like it's just crazy. So again, back to the notes. So, how we do over here. Legally, appeals don't retry the case. They review legal errors, and the court's role is to check whether the trial judge acted within the law. The panel found no errors significant enough to change the outcome. So basically, no new evidence, no new nothing. You just wasting the courts and the judge's time. And again, like I said earlier, like your lawyers, they just milking you dry of your money. It's no win. Like you don't have nothing to go off of. So why do you keep trying to come to the judge in the courts with stuff and it's like nothing's sticking? So just stop it. Just give it up. And he's been doing this for like quite a while now, and it's getting kind of old. So I feel like any real ass mother, I'm just saying nigga, gonna do they damn time and just bite the bullet. No pun intended. Like just do your time. It's only 10 years. Dang, like. And then after that, I'm pretty sure he might get deported because he's a Canadian citizen. So yeah, I almost went on a tangent just then, but I just want to be real, you know. Um, basically, possible angles, the importance of accountability, how public opinion doesn't change court evidence. Megan's once again her credibility has been validated again, and it's just the lessons around ego, celebrity, culture, da da da. You know, my notes all over the place. But yeah, he just has to be accountable for his actions and just going by his life. Obviously, Megan has moved on with her life, at least trying to, because this stuff involving him, it keep lingering with her, like having her name attached to this mess, and it's like, just serve your time. And Megan's living her life. She's not even worried about you. She don't even think like she got a man, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, like, it's just take some accountability. You can at least do right while you serving your time. Like, change your ways. Stuff like that. But I don't understand. But yeah, it's been a lot of back and forth on the internet. With fan bases and his supporters and Megan supporters. And I think some of his supporters are realizing now that it's not happening for him. He's not going to get out. He's just going to serve his time and then just do what he needs to do. And it's just they fighting. Basically, it's not nothing's going to come of this new situation. So it's like, why keep going? Why keep doing this? Basically, but yeah. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, whether this ruling surprised you or if you felt it was long overdue. But yeah, those are my thoughts on this case. Serve your time and go about your business. You keep throwing stuff up in the air. And I just want to say, I'm not a court case breakdown kind of person. Like, I'd rather listen to other people break down court cases and stuff like that. I'm I'm just winging this. Like I'm just going off based on what I've seen in the media. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments whether this ruling surprised you or if you felt it was long overdue. And if you want more breakdowns like this, hit that subscribe button. Share, like, comment. If you disagree with me or agree with me, let it be known in the comment section. And I'll see you in the next video.